Want to have your own business? That's great, but there are several things that distinguish being an entrepreneur from being an employee, and you need to be aware of them. What misconceptions might you have before starting your own business in the wall printing industry with wall printers? In today's episode, I'll talk about what's not included in our offer and what you'll need to take care of yourself. And if you don't know me yet, hello, I'm Rafael from Wall Printers. We've been in the wall printing industry for 3 years. We started as printers, personally handling client projects, and now we help others enter this industry. On this channel, we share for free everything we've learned through trial and error, as well as from numerous business training programs we've attended. Let's get started! Today I want to clearly explain how our partnership works when you start a wall printing business with wall printers. What we bring to the table, what you contribute, and how together we build your success. Let's start by saying that our offer is much more than just a wall printer. Our approach focuses on providing you with everything you need to launch a business in the wall printing industry. And as we often remind you, that's significantly more than just the machine itself. We want to equip you as best as possible from the start, both technically, with our proven equipment, and with knowledge. That's why the first and most important point I want to tell you today is that at Wall Printers, we won't run your business for you. We'll support you, answer your questions, but you must take care of developing your company yourself. We'll provide you with the Wall Printer Pro, conduct advanced technical training, share all our knowledge, and give you access to a community of printers. It's like giving you a ship, a map, a compass, and supplies, but you're still the captain. For some, this is a disadvantage, for others an advantage. If you're looking for a turnkey business where someone tells you what to do every day, this is the wrong address. But if you value independence and want to build something of your own, using proven tools and support, you're in the right place. When entering the wall printing business, you must be prepared to make the ultimate decisions about how to run your business. Sure, we provide know-how, try to share best practices and guidance, but it's up to you whether you use the knowledge we share. For example, in our course, How to Make Money with Wall Printing. Your business will be 100% yours and we won't have direct influence over it. We're also not involved in any way with the legal or accounting aspects of your company. The next point is about acquiring customers. As an entrepreneur operating on your own, you acquire and serve your own clients. We often hear the question, who will give me jobs? The answer is simple, no one. You must actively work to win them.
Just do it!
You need to conduct activities aimed at finding clients in your region. Of course, again, the knowledge we provide is very useful here, but ultimately, you must actively work to have these clients and to reach them in the first place. Sometimes within our community, situations arise where someone is approached by a client, but they don't have the capacity or the client's location doesn't suit them, and then they ask in our community if someone else would like to take on this job. We've been in this situation many times ourselves, where a client contacted our wall printing service company, Wall Tattoo, and we declined the job but instead recommended another printer from our community who was located nearby. However, situations where someone, whether us or anyone else from the wall printers community, passes a client to you are rather rare, and you definitely shouldn't base your sales strategy on this. What's not in our offer is a guarantee of earnings. Some would very much like to have this, but if you think about it for a moment, it doesn't make much sense. As we mentioned earlier, ultimately your business belongs to you. As an entrepreneur, you are the master of your own fate. Someone who starts strategically from the very beginning and actively acquires clients will achieve completely different results than someone who runs their business half-heartedly. The same applies to the time invested in commitment. It will be different if you dedicate yourself 100% to developing the business versus treating it as something to do after hours. What we can do for you is help you gain knowledge that will make it easier to develop this business and provide some indicative ranges, such as price per square meter or costs. By the way, we already do this. We have a video on this topic. You'll find the link at the top of the screen. So if you're thinking about starting in the industry, this is the perfect time to subscribe to our channel and start getting familiar with it. We can also tell you what's realistic at the beginning. For example, how many projects you can actually do in a week or month as a beginner printer, because you certainly won't be printing 10 square meters projects from morning to evening every working day. However, we cannot guarantee that you'll earn a specific amount in a certain time. Considering all the variables we mentioned, especially your commitment and time invested, it's simply impossible. Our forecasts regarding potential earnings are based on 3 sources: our own experience running a service company in the wall printing industry, the experiences of people who bought our package and joined the wall printers community, and current market trends. Although all indicators show that wall printing is a dynamically developing industry with great potential, of which we ourselves are proof, we want to emphasize that your success largely depends on you. On whether you will systematically expand your business knowledge, actively conduct marketing activities, improve sales processes, and customer service. Speaking of marketing, it's time for the 4th item on the list of things we won't do for you, which is managing your social media or advertising campaigns. Of course, our promotional activities for wall printers indirectly help the entire industry. The more people know about wall printing, the better for everyone. This creates a positive effect for all wall printers, but it won't replace your own marketing efforts. You must take care of promoting your own company. But it's not like we don't support you in this area at all. As part of our package, we create your first website and then hand it over to you. Subsequent updates and development of the site are up to you. What will be very important in your company almost from the very beginning is managing social media. Getting off to a good start with online marketing activities is key. But don't worry, we have a significant advantage for you here too. We provide our clients with a database of photos and footage they can use in their content and advertisements. Wall printing is a service that is best shown and explained through examples. We understand perfectly that at the beginning, no one has a portfolio of completed projects to showcase, which is why we provide our clients with photos and videos of prints we've made. This way, you don't have the problem of wanting to start running social media but having nothing to show. Our database effectively solves this problem. As for graphics, some mistakenly assume at the beginning that wall printing works like selecting from a catalog of ready-made designs. The reality is completely different, and that's what makes it so great. The true value of wall printing lies in the ability to create completely personalized designs. You can print practically anything your client dreams of course, taking into account standard technical limitations, such as the need to maintain appropriate margins. We don't provide a database of ready-made graphics. However, we're happy to share proven sources from which you can obtain high-quality designs if you want to use ready-made solutions. Our favorite approach, especially for larger jobs, is to work with a graphic designer and create a project specifically for a particular client. This gives the best results and allows for full personalization, which is the biggest advantage of wall printing over other wall decoration methods. And the last point, technical support during implementation. What do you get in the package and what don't you get? As our client, you receive comprehensive full-day technical training, which takes place on site at our headquarters in Szczecin, Poland, as well as continuous online technical support. Our technical team is available on a dedicated chat 7 days a week. However, this does not mean physical presence during your implementations. That would be logistically impossible to organize. But that doesn't mean you're left alone with everything. Quite the opposite. Thanks to our comprehensive onboarding, you gain solid foundations in machine operation, and we can effectively solve most potential problems remotely. We have ready tutorials, recordings, and instructions. Quick response from the technical team and precise guidance allow us to solve almost any situation that may arise during implementation. And that's essentially everything I wanted to explain today. To summarize, we provide the wall printer along with accessories, technical training, technical support, know-how, and a community of active wall printers. You're responsible for acquiring your own clients, running the business, and executing jobs. Together, we develop the wall printing industry and exchange experiences. We don't offer everything on a silver platter. We offer tools, knowledge, and support so you can build something of your own. And that's the best part. You won't be just another subcontractor implementing someone else's vision. You'll be an entrepreneur creating your own. If this model suits you, great. Visit our website through the link in the description and fill out the contact form. You'll receive a complete offer and all the details. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode.